Hi there, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. Sometimes people are looking for stats information in respect to their website, and you could use Google Analytics and link that to your website and stuff like that. But there is also another place that you can go and find that information on your website. Let's just go into the back end of this demo website. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Developer Hub. And when you go to Developer Hub, you can go to the cPanel dashboard. And when that opens up, just in the top toolbox, just put AW. AWStats is what you're looking for. If you click on that and then click on your domain name, so just click on your domain name view, and there you go. You can see lots of stats information in relation to your website. You can get your unique visitors, which is just here, number of visits, pages viewed, hits. You can see your bandwidth that you're using. Um, there's lots and lots of information. You've got it's broken down to days of the month as well, so you can see what's going on. There's not much activity on this site, but it's because it is just a demo site. But you can also break this down into hours as well, hours of the day. So you can see what's going on during the sort of hours of the day. You've got locations that are coming up and how many hits from different locations. So there's lots and lots of information. You can also use all this information on the left hand side as well, to break things down, looking at who, for example, locations, um, and it will jump to sections, and then you can look at more information, and filter things that you want to look at in more detail. So that's how you can view some statistical information from your website. So really useful tool that. If you didn't know it was there, go in and have a look and see what's going on. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.